Hello, spring has sprung and I'm doing a set with some nice pretty spring flowers and some nice pastel colors. I've already applied my tips and done all my prep, and I'm starting off with this white acrylic. It's called Snow White, and I'm just doing a full nail of that on the thumbnail. On the index finger, I'm just applying the white acrylic to the top corner of the nail, and then I'm cutting it off diagonally. On the middle finger, I'm just doing a full nail of white. And on the ring finger, I'm just applying the white acrylic to the top half of the nail. Now I'm going back to that index finger, and I'm just taking my hand file and filing the edge of that white acrylic that I put down earlier, and I'm just making sure that the edge is perfectly straight and sharp and clean. And then I'm going in with a little bit of clear acrylic, and I'm just applying that to the little bit of nail bed that's still exposed, and I'm just putting that down before I go in with some colored acrylic. And now I'm using this pink acrylic. It is called Watermelon, and I love this color. It's so pretty. Pink is my favorite color, but this shade of pink is just so pretty. I'm gonna be doing a lot more sets with this color. And I'm taking this acrylic and I'm just gonna fill the rest of the nail in with it. Next, I went over to the pinky and I just did a thin layer of clear acrylic before I went and did a full nail of that watermelon. Next, I'm going back to the ring finger, and after cleaning up the edge of the white acrylic, I'm using this yellow acrylic, and it is from NSI. It is called Think About It, and I'm just gonna apply that to the other half of the nail. Now I'm filing the nails with the 2 different colored acrylics just to make sure I get any of the color off of the white, and also just to clean up the line where the 2 colors meet. Now I'm taking these flower water decals, and I'm going to be applying those to all the white nails and all the parts of the nails that have white acrylic. First, I'm going to apply some white gel polish, and without curing it, I'm going to put the decals on top of there just so that I'm able to move them around and get them in place how I want first. On the index nail, I took some silver striping tape and I just put that on in between the pink and white acrylic. And just like I did on the index finger, I took some striping tape and put it on that ring fingernail between the yellow and white acrylic. After I finished applying all the decals and the striping tape, I cured the nails on the lamp just to cure the polish and lock everything in place. And then I went and capped all those nails in clear acrylic. Okay, that is the finished set. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.